an alert list order. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
And lastly, Mr. Chair, I would also move that the committee closely coordinate with the Philippine National Police in order to affect the arrest of the individuals and turn them over to the House of Representatives.
Is that a motion or just a manifestation? Just a manifestation?
Yes.
Okay. Comsec, please take note of the manifestation of Congresswoman Pami Zamora.
Mr. Chair,
Congress DS
yeah,
JJ
in line with the motions acted upon by the committee, later on, can we ask that the Sergeant at Arms be present so that we can get an update on the status of the contempt orders on these individuals? Kasi kung ang dahilan nila ay may ibang lakad sila sa araw na ito, given na may contempt order na sa kanila, sa palagay ko hindi substantial yung dahilan na yun para hindi po sila dumalo sa ating pandinig.
Comsec, pwede po bang pakitawag ang Sergeant at Arms? Thank you.
Mr. Chairman.
Next, Congressman Paduano.
Just a point of clarification at the same time manifestation, Mr. Chairman, because as far as I heard the report of the COMSEC, ang sabi po ng COMSEC, the contempt order was served to the 4 officials, no, namely Sunshine Farda, Edward Farda, Gina Acosta, and Limir Ortonio, for reasons that they are on official travel, tama ba yun? And official
travel, Your Honor.
official travel outside of this country.
Oh, Your Honor, locally, Your Honor.
But have they received the contempt and arrest order for them?
Per the report of the LSB, not yet, Your Honor.
So, Mr. Chairman, it is not acceptable to this representation just because of their official travel and official business. They cannot be served with this contempt order. Kasi over and above, in all cases, with regards to contempt orders, vis-a-vis official travels, dapat po i-serve talaga yung contempt orders. So that will not be a valid reason for not serving such contempt order. That's why, Mr. Chairman, instead of just coordinating with, once again with the SAA, may I move, Mr. Chairman, that the contempt order will be officially communicated to the NBI, to CIDG, no, and to all local PNP stations in which the addresses of those 4 officials that was cited in contempt.
Yes, that's why we are inviting the Sergeant at Arms to verify what are the steps na ginawa po nila dahil hindi naman po nila na-serve yung contempt order. So, alamin natin ano yung ginawa nila and ano pa yung hakbang na gagawin nila. Yes, Comsec.
Your Honors, I would like to manifest that the LSB sent their report. They have transmitted actually the contempt and arrest orders to the director of the NBI, Honorable Judge Jaime B. Santiago. They also transmitted it to the Chief of PNP Police, Police General Romel Francisco D. Marbil, to the Acting Director of CIDG, to Honorable Nicolas D. Torre III, to the Chief of Police of Mandaluyong, Police Colonel Mary Grace R. Madayag, to the OIC Eastern Police District Police Colonel Villamor Q. Tuliao, and that was included in the report of the LSP and Sergeant at Arms, Your Honor. They have also inquired from the committee the residential address of these individuals. However, the Secretariat was only able to provide information as to the spouses Fajarda as provided by the Department of Education, Your Honors.
Mr. Chairman.
Congressman Paduano.
With that, Mr. Chairman, I move that to direct the COMSEC to inform all those mentioned government mentioned officials, no, of the PNP, NBI, for them to report to this committee through the concept ASAP, Mr. Chairman. And if they cannot make that report, may we invite them, those mentioned officials, to be present in the next hearing. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Comsec?
Your Honor, as to the issuance of a lookout bulletin order, on November 6, 2024, the Secretary of Justice has already issued an ILBO for the 7 individuals, and this included the 4 already cited in contempt and issued an arrest order, Your Honors.
Thank you. Is there any more concern?
Mr. Chairman, since
Yes,
the
Congressman
BID,
Paduan.
the representative of BID is present, can we ask him about the update of that lookout bulletin that was issued by the DOJ Secretary?
It's
Attorney
already implemented. Sorry.
Ungkat, you're recognized.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Good morning, honorable members of the committee. Sir, as previously mentioned by the COMSEC, the Secretary of Justice issued a lookout bulletin on November 6, 2024 for the 7 aforementioned individuals.
We know that. That was reported by the COMSEC. But what's the latest? Have they traveled?
No, Your Honor. All of them are here, but we still have problems with the name Gina Acosta. There are numerous individuals named Gina Acosta. We don't have her birthday, Your Honor.
Once again, BID, alam mo naman, Gina Acosta is an official of the Office of Vice President ba? OVP. Now, yung service record lang, makuha nyo na doon, question of the date of birth and
Yes.
place of birth. Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Just to check a certain Acosta, pag marami yan, di ba ang standard operating procedure natin is to get the date of birth at the same time the place of birth. Then,
Yes, Your Honor.
di ba? Madidius na natin kung sino talaga yung Gina Acosta that we are inviting for this hearing. So may record naman yan ng Office of the Vice President, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O kunin
We
na
will
lang yung
ask them.
PDS doon, nandun na yung lahat.
Yes,
And
Your Honor.
we only need, again, once again, we only need the date of birth at saka place of birth, di ba? Doon mismo sa OBP. Then i-check niyo yung record niya, di ba? Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, so please kindly ngayon po baka pwede nang matawagan
Yes, Your Honor. We
to
will
get
do
a
that.
copy of the PDS of Miss Gina Acosta. Then you verify it kung may travel record siya from the very start of this hearing until today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Chairman.
Maybe we can ask the admin from the OVP. Do we have the officials from the admin of the OVP? Attorney Sanchez, maybe ang sagot po sa inyong katanungan si Attorney Sanchez.
Good morning, Mr. Chair. We will provide upon instruction of the committee, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Mr. Chairman, when? Because we need it today. Can you provide us within the day? Kasi nandito na rin yung BID.
Anyway,
Tatawagan na ng BID yan. If you can provide now the place of birth and the date of birth of Miss Gina Acosta, mabilis lang yan. Ma-check ng BID para matapos na natin yan.
We will,
Ang kailangan na naman natin dito, travel record, di ba, ni Gina Acosta. So can you provide that, ma'am, within the day?
Mr. Chair, we will obtain the record from the office, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
thank you po.
Mr.
Mr.
Chair,
Before I recognize with the indulgence of the
Of
SJ,
course, ladies first.
ladies.
thank you.
Congressman Pami Zamora,
Mr.
you're
Chair, I'd
recognized.
also like to ask if we were able to invite or if she's present today, si Attorney Rochelle Abella. I remember the last hearing we invited her.
Your Honor.
Comsec?
Yes, Your Honor, Attorney Rosel Abella, and Abella was invited. She sent an excuse letter stating that she has a hearing in Makati City today, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Chair, bilang abogado ka naman, is that valid? Is that reason enough to skip our hearings?
Mr. Chairman,
Congressman Paduano.